Apple fanboys are eagerly waiting for the mid-September event when this Cupertino company will launch a new and next-gen iPhone 15. Hype is high and expectations know no limit as we are thinking of innovative features in the upcoming iPhone 15. Let's see what Apple can give it in latest iPhone device. Let me tell you this. We can expect the arrival of the iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max or Ultra in the mega September event. With this, iPhone 15 and iPhone 15 Plus will also be introduced. Sounds great? Here is what we could get around September 22 when these iPhones will be officially available for purchase. So far, rumors suggest that a USB-C port will come instead of a Lightning port on all four models of iPhone 15. A sleeker and less intrusive, the dynamic island design will make the difference in this new lineup for sure. It will mark the beginning of a new notch-free edge for iPhone. Also, standard iPhone 15 models will have an upgrade to the A16 chip that Apple has added in the iPhone 14 Pro model. So what about the iPhone 15 Pro models? Well, they will get faster and more powerful A17 chips of just 3 nanometer inside. Titanium frames, slimmer bezels, and minor design changes are expected in Pro model, along with more curved edges. What's more? Well, we can expect periscope lens technology to be introduced in the iPhone 15 Pro Max for enhanced zoom capability. Talking about the size, the new iPhone 15 will have a 6.1-inch display, which is the same as iPhone 15 Pro. On the other hand, both iPhone 15 Max and iPhone 15 Pro Max will have a 6.7-inch screen each. The Pro models will also have higher-end features. Rumors suggest that iPhone 15 Pro models will have thinner and more curved bezels than its predecessors' iPhone 14 models. However, standard iPhone 15 models will look like the standard iPhone 14 models with the same aluminum frame and a glass front and back. An action button in the iPhone 15 Pro models will replace the mute switch, and we can do various things like turning on the camera or flashlight and activating shortcuts. An unconfirmed rumor has suggested that the iPhone 15 models could bring frosted glass back. Isn't it interesting to see this present design difference that Apple has kept limited to its Pro models only? Ongoing rumors also suggest that Apple will not include Touch ID in the iPhone 15 models, and Face ID will remain to continue. As per Ming Chi, a renowned Apple analyst, both the iPhone 15 and iPhone 15 Plus will have a 48 megapixel camera like the iPhone 14 Pro and iPhone 14 Pro Max. With this, iPhone 15 Pro Max or Ultra is expected to bring periscope lens technology. Interested in knowing about Wi-Fi? Well, the iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max will feature an advanced Wi-Fi 6E, but the standard iPhone 15 models will use Wi-Fi 6. Now, as compared to Wi-Fi 6, you can avail of more bandwidth and faster connectivity speeds with lower latency in Wi-Fi 6E. Last but not least is pricing. Bloomberg's Mark Gurman is of the opinion that Apple might increase the price of the iPhone 15 Pro series. We can expect that the iPhone 15 Pro will start from $1099, which is approximately $100 more than that for the iPhone 14 Pro. Similarly, the iPhone 15 Pro Max will be $200 dearer than the iPhone 14 Pro Max, with a price tag of $1199. However, we don't expect any increase in price for the standard iPhone 15 models, and the entry-level iPhone should be priced at $799. Do you want to add or share more insights? Please do so in the comment section. That's it from my side. See you after the release of new iPhones. Till then, bye-bye and stay tuned.